Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here, and I am so excited to take you guys on a tour of one of the most beautiful places in the world, Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you about your favorite places to travel. Ready to hit the sandy shore? Welcome to Copacabana Beach, the people watching capital of the world. You can't help but let your worries melt away as your feet hit the golden sand. Listen to the sound of the waves crashing against the shoreline and the locals playing football in the late afternoon sun. Continue your journey down the beach and let yourself absorb the lively atmosphere. Make sure to stop by the kiosks. You can sample some of Brazil's amazing street food while taking a break from the sun. Keep walking and admire the many colorful umbrellas that shade beachgoers throughout the day. Then it's time for the sun to set and for the real fun to start. Enjoy the rhythm of samba, visit the beachside restaurants and bars, and take a nighttime stroll through the promenade. Here, you can get a taste of the real Rio. I hope that this journey has inspired you to explore more of Rio de Janeiro and Brazil as a whole. Press subscribe now and stay tuned for more. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!